Welcome to Revolutionizing the Future, Top 10 Game-Changing Technologies of the Next Decade, where we explore the most innovative technologies that will shape our future. Let's dive in. Imagine a world where holographic displays bring your favorite characters to life. With advancements in holographic technology, we'll soon be able to interact with lifelike digital assets, enhancing our entertainment experiences like never before. Artificial intelligence, or AI, will revolutionize industries. From self-driving cars to personalized digital assistants, AI will transform the way we live and work, increasing efficiency and improving everyday tasks. Quantum computing is set to change the face of computing power. With their ability to solve complex problems in seconds, these supercomputers will unlock scientific breakthroughs, revolutionize industries, and accelerate technological advancements. Prepare to step into immersive virtual worlds. Virtual reality will enhance gaming, training simulations, and even therapeutic experiences. Say goodbye to traditional screens, as VR transports you to a completely new reality. Say hello to blazing fast internet speeds with 5G connectivity. This technology will enable us to download movies in seconds, connect billions of devices seamlessly, and unlock the full potential of the Internet of Things. The future of medicine lies in biotechnology. From gene editing to personalized medicine, breakthroughs in this field will allow us to cure diseases, prolong lives, and enhance our overall well-being. Robots will become our reliable companions and colleagues, automating tasks across various industries. From healthcare to manufacturing, they will revolutionize efficiency, increase productivity, and open up new job opportunities. To combat climate change, renewable energy sources will take center stage. Solar and wind power, coupled with innovative storage solutions, will pave the way for a sustainable future, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. The power of creation will be in our hands with 3D printing. From personalized prosthetics to food and even houses, this technology will transform various industries, making customization and production more accessible than ever. Our homes will become smarter with the Internet of Things. Connected devices will make our lives more convenient, allowing us to control appliances, monitor our health, and optimize energy consumption effortlessly. As we look to the future, these top 10 game-changing technologies will redefine our world. Keep watching our channel to stay updated on the latest advancements. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.